Welcome guys, in this video I am with the VIVO Y35 and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. Okay, so first of all we are going to start from the photo mode, and when you are here we can find a couple of the useful things. At the first we can use the volume buttons that are located on the right edge, and you can just take photo by clicking once on the volume up or volume down. When you click and hold each button, you are going to take series of the photo, and in this place you can find the number of the photos taken in each series. So when I hold like that and release right now, as you can see we take 13 photos. You can find all of them by tapping on the gallery button and then click here to show all burst photos. When you keep scrolling quickly, it will look like the GIF animation. Okay, next we can go for the screen. So when you click once, you can just adjust the brightness level by moving like that on this slider. So we can decrease or increase, or just make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. You can also change the color and the temperature on the photos by tapping in this place. As you can see right here, we can find the default filters. So that's how they change the color and the temperature, and with this slider we can adjust the strength of each filter. To go back for the original look of your photo, just click right here, and there's also some kind of the light effect, but it will be visible for you when you have someone in front of the camera and when the phone recognizes face. As you can see, there's even the notification. Next we can smoothly move for the zoom feature. So as you can see we can go for the 1x or 2x, but when you click and hold already selected preset, we will unlock this slider where we can find even 10x zoom. And that's by the way the quality of the zoom. If you wonder how it looks, you can just take a look on the crack back of my Huawei P30 Pro, or for example my Google Pixel 7 Pro. And you can still zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your two fingers, so we can decide how to make it. When you tap on this place, you will enable the automatic AI. It will boost the color, change the shadow and other stuff, so you can decide if you want to use it. When you go in this place, you can enable the super macro photo, so we can try to use it and let's see how it performs. If it is good or not. Maybe we can put it on my skin. Okay, and we can make comparison with the high resolution mode right now. So let's make the same photo. Okay, let's take a look how the macro photo looks and the high resolution photo. Okay, it's out of the focus unfortunately, and right here. Okay, so here we can find definitely the quality is not that good, but there's we can shot a little bit closer. Right here definitely more details, but it's out of the focus this place. Maybe we can try to make it one more time, but a little bit better. Okay, maybe like that. It will catch the focus right now. Okay, so for me it's better to use this high resolution mode instead of using the macro lens, and that's what I can recommend you also. But let's go forward. Let's move on. Let's turn off the macro mode, and next we can just simply click on the settings And right here we'll open this menu with the aspect ratio. So as you can see, we can change the ratio of the photo, but you have to remember that always the best to stay with the 4:3, because right here we can find the best quality. But if you want to change it, you can make it right here. In the next option we can find the delay for our shutter between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. That's the countdown, and after this time the photo will be taken. We can also enable the grid lines and the leveler. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen, and it helps us to take better composition on the photos. There's also some kind of the effect matters. We can swipe horizontally or vertically. Wait, one more time to read that. To adjust the picture effects. So of course it's like, wait a minute. Okay, so as you can see right here, we can like change the colors, and right here we can change, it's probably the exposure compensation. So we can find the additional parameters. If you want to get rid of that, just click here and will be reset to the previous settings. It's very useful to use this option. For example, when your lighting conditions are not good, so we can boost the compensation. I mean, you can compensate the exposure. Right here we can also enable the watermark, so we can enable the model watermark, the time watermark, and also we can add our custom signature by tapping right here. So we are gonna add the hard reset. And right now when you take a photo, just take a look. As you can see in the left bottom corner we can find device mark, our signature, and date and the time. Okay, let's turn it off. And right now let's go for the settings. Okay, it's not available. Oh yeah, it is right here, never mind. So as you can see right here, we can also turn off change the shutter function. So we can use touch shutter, the voice shutter, and also we can show the palm of our hand for the selfie camera. So let's try these three options. So we can just take photo by tapping on the screen. You can also say cheese. As you can see, the photo was taken. There's the voice detection on the shutter, and we can switch on to the selfie camera. And as you can see, there's the countdown, and after this time the photo will be taken. So there's also 3 additional options to take photos. Right now we can turn them off. If you want to reset all of the settings to the default, just tap right here. We can go for the more modes. As you can see in this place, we are also able to get the double exposure mode, and it looks like that. So there is some kind of the effect apply on the photo. Let me just switch to the back camera, and there's also the rear preview. So you will get something like that. As you can see, it's only on the objects, so it's not like on the full screen like it was on the preview. Just let me show you one more time. As you can see, it's everything, but it only stay on the objects. So when I'm gonna put the keyboard, the plant, and the phone, it will be only apply on these objects right here. And honestly, it looks interesting. Right here we are also able to change the theme of it, so you can get, for example, the sky. Let's try it on my Pixel. I think it will looks very nice. Yeah, it looks cool. And we can change also for this one, for this overlay. Okay, this one is not really that good, but it's my opinion, of course. When you tap on the plus, you can take photo and apply it on your photo, so we can crop. And right now you will get like your own overlay. So that's how we can set it up. If you want to get any picture, like for example, we can just download like I don't know, maybe the Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's get photo of the Chris. We can take this one. Let's download the image. Let's open the phone. Let's go right here, tap. We can select this part of the photo, click and take a look. Right now we are gonna apply the Cristiano Ronaldo for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, it looks terrible. It is not working that good like the standard preview. Let's try maybe right here. I mean the standard overlays. Okay, right here it looks a little bit better. Here we can also change the photo parameters. And also we can adjust the strength of the filter. So when you set it up for the 100%, like that, and repeat. Okay, never mind. I thought that it will be applied for the... I mean that it will cover like my phone, for example, but it cover everything, so let's try like that. Okay, it's not working like I thought, but yeah, that's all for the tricks on the VIVO Y35, all camera tips and tricks. Maybe I just put too much time for this double exposure mode, but yeah, that's how it looks in the smartphone. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.